if there is a government shutdown, the impact will be felt throughout the country. Only essential services will continue as usual. Some 800,000 federal employees will not be working. Chip Reid is on the National Mall in Washington. Chip, good morning.
Well, good morning, Nora, Charlie, and Gail. For tourists visiting Washington, they're already deprived of the opportunity of going up top to the Washington Monument because, as you can see, it's still under repair. And if this shutdown happens, all of the museums all along the mall will be closed, including this one of the most popular museums in the world, the National Air and Space Museum. Tourists were squeezing in last-minute visits to the Smithsonian museums that line the National Mall Sunday, just in case they all close on Tuesday.
My husband's in meetings, and I was going to tour the city until Thursday, so very, very sad if they shut down Tuesday.
Well, we were a bit disappointed. We've been planning the trip for a few months now.
If there is a government shutdown, the national parks will also close. Applications for government-insured mortgages and small business loans would be put on hold. Federal meat inspections would continue, but other routine food inspections could be suspended. And numerous federal agencies, including the IRS and the EPA, will operate with skeleton staffs.
Everyone in this room knows these cuts are destroying jobs all across America, robbing children of the education they need, slowing the pace of life-saving research, and threatening everything from public safety to public health.
But most government functions would continue, including mail delivery. Social Security checks would be processed, though there could be delays. Airport screeners, air traffic controllers, border guards, and FBI agents would stay on the job, but without pay until Congress reaches a deal. The 1.4 million members of the uniformed military would remain on duty, though their pay could also be delayed. About half of the Pentagon's 800,000 civilian workers would be furloughed. Erica Towns is a nurse at a military base in Maryland. She was already furloughed earlier this year because of a previous congressional showdown.
So we already jumped off the carousel, now we got to get back on again? Really? That was my initial reaction. We've already done our time. Why are we having to pay this price, this debt once again? It's not fair and it's not right.
And Erica Towns and other people we've talked to who might be furloughed and tourists blame Congress for most of what's going on here. One thing the Republicans are trying to do is delay Obamacare, the president's health care plan, for a year. But even if there is a shutdown, that will continue. The health care exchanges will open tomorrow as scheduled. Charlie, Nora, and Gail?
Chip, thank you.